Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it. And then your journey begins.
Oh wow. Them the one they stall though. Like so when they rush out here with that thing said they might do something, but they not do nothing. It's pretty cool. Guys, we're gonna try to get to the Tron ride. I try to get to the Tron. Well, let's see. Fireworks are going. Hello. Woo. Now I know. Woo. Thank you for the lights. Beautiful. Wow. I'm at Disney World. Rodriguez. But I am rushing to get through the Tron. Woo. Whoa. Hey. They celebrate every night. Every night is a celebration. Let's go. Yeah, they do this every night. The Tron ride. All right, guys. So this is where we're going. The Tron Lightning ride. Oh my gosh, crazy. Oh, I love this. See, look there. Woo. So cool. Like, I don't know how long we are going to wait for that 1 year, but I'm excited for it because I've been on this one before. I actually know what it feels like. And this is my second favorite ride here. Well, it's my first favorite ride. Wow. It's my first favorite ride at Magic Kingdom. But overall favorite ride at Disney World. My overall favorite ride at Disney World is the Guardian of the Galaxy. That one I did last week. And that's at Epcot. All right, here we go. This one is so cool. Yes, I'm sure it's so exciting. So that's the name of it. There it is, Tron Lightcycle Run. Woo! Fireworks is still happening. That one. Boom! Jeez! Guys, I walk till I can't walk no more. Maybe not. Oh, that was loud. That was loud. Rotted. Okay, them a turn me back. Them a turn me back. Mighty God.
Oh, really? Hours back there.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, no.
Oh boy. Guys, let's watch fireworks. The wait time for that one is an hour. An hour wait. No, sir. I know said that one they always full because like I telling you guys that I best right here, the best. So I did expect that wait time there. Just always something going on. I mean, the one we're gonna, bad to bad, but I got on the ride like about 3 times already, so if you really want to see it, I do have live replays on the Tron ride already, so you can check it out if you really want to check it out. Okay, guys, because the wait time, can't wait an hour for that. No more pilots. No one not scary. Guys, about 15 to 20 minutes out of fireworks. Them are about some fire, you know. Thank God. Every day, so. I don't remember the space mode. I don't remember the right there. I think they did like it, you know. Let's go and try and see what happens. Thank you. 10 minutes. Okay, we can do that one day. Showtime.
Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Ah, yes, Lord.
Attention Space Mountain passengers. Space Mountain is a thrilling high-speed train.
I love that. Love that. Yeah, I'm glad you're enjoying it, Ian. Appreciate it. Thank you. Here we are. Yeah, that one you're gonna be fast, you know, so make sure not on high blood pressure on them someday. Out of space we are going now. Out of space.
Height requirement may not ride. Be sure to supervise children at all times. And remember that passengers in wheelchairs can transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch. Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Well, you have to go change your name, because I just call the name based on what I see. So that me I call your name. So when the name change, me just call it, because I can't remember.
So the last curling on-ramp that we had before today, I told Lindsay, all you have left is the one of the...
Guys, you see, like I said, we didn't want a spaceship.
Go into Epcot. That's it. So let's just finish this one.
No, I make up on the ride already, but I don't really remember it, because I don't go on it often. Must be a reason, but I don't remember a reason yet.
Off of the on-ramp, cross the bridge, and she looks and she goes,
I don't remember. The reason.
I was like, oh yeah, we have this one, then the one into Epcot, and then your flat.
No boarding. God mercy. And people say make sure so you're in a good health. Make sure you're in a good health. Lord have mercy. Alright guys, you know say right not too bad when you know say you not have like the additional strap over your chest. You know it's not too bad. Oh, Mirage. Oh, whichever one. Oh, okay. Person. we go. And they say I need to store everything. Hello. Thank you. Everyone. Wow, that's crazy.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rocket.
Okay.
Watch your children. You're clear for launch. Y para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del cohete. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
All right, guys, we are ready. Thank you. All right, we are at Maria. Hola, we're at Disney, Magic Kingdom. Oh, thank you.
Speaker, you're not recording. You've been recording?
Yes. Thank you. Never again. Never again. Two blood clot. You wanna hear me? Jesus Christ. Wow, that's crazy. Wanna hear me? I think maybe didn't mute turn off. It did dark. It pitch dark. But it's in nothing. Oh boy, no remember why I just go by the one time. Because it too dark, man. It just come like say me I go to space and I be a darkness. You can't say nothing. I don't like that phone, guys. I don't like that phone at all. I like when I see everything, you know. Yeah. True, Ian. I tell you. Ah, boy. When I probably did hear like the clangings and the noise. Yeah, man, they go fast. 80 miles per hour. So red room. Wow, God, welcome in. No problem, big up yourself. And then I try to catch myself. I just come off on one roller coaster. Oh boy, I'm not a throat left. Big up yourself, red room. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself, but I want to always encourage you still, so I just saw. I just saw, you know. But I know, so I'm going to see a lot today. I think too much work on down, man. That's cool. And now we're leaving. Walking through the gift shop. Yeah, that's me. That's me. I wear me do all the time. Me not keep in it, me. Me not keep in it. Me I let it out. No, sir. I said that in the red room. Limit. The limit. No one see why you not come over here often. Nobody with it, please. Every time. Yeah, make you come like say that me say every time. And that's not it. Okay? I don't really. I'm just trying stuff, you know. I'm just showing you guys the content. That's all. You know, I'm giving you guys a live experience. That's what I'm doing. So I'm not really doing it for me. I'm doing it for you guys. Yes. Right? I figure down one. Pick up myself right room. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. See your channel is doing well. Big up yourself. Congrats on your monetization. Big move. Big up, keep up the great work. And consistency is the key. 100%. Candy! Wagwan! Lord have mercy. So another one I know. Oh boy. Alright. Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. Do I like this ride? I don't remember. But we're gonna do it. It's a 5 minutes wait, and that me like. I don't want to not wait too long. I know so I'm very, you know, impatient. Candy and good. Where they are ball out with your tool. You know? Yeah, where they are stretch with the vice box. That's what we're doing. Wow, yeah, live it. So this one we're going on right now is the Buzz Lightyear. We don't know what we are going to expect, but yeah. It's always like the graffitis for me. Right? Well, this is one of the pros when you come on at nighttime. Ratty guys. The one I like that one, I forgot me like that one. The one I shoot me, I figure shoot. Eh? Yeah, I shoot me, I go shoot. So Uno, I go shoot with me. This is gonna be great.
Buena fuerte. Attention, Space Rangers. Remain seated with your hands, arms,
I mean, I gotta see how much we
inside the
catch.
space room. Get your gears stowed. Keep an eye on those kids. Lightyear, over and out.
Oh my god, Red Room! Jesus Christ! Thank you! Red Room, thank you so much! I appreciate it! Screenshot! Wow! Alright guys, let's go! Time to shoot. Oh shit! You see, Uno make me shoot with one hand. Thank you! Thank you, Red Room! That's beautiful. How cool is this? Let's go! All good, Red Room. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let's go, guys. It's showtime. We could check out we're going. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do this. Cause this is my better on. All right, here we go. Showtime. What am I shooting though? After me now see what me I shoot say. Oh, there we go. God, me can't read this one. Me I shooting now, guys. All right, so we are. Boom, 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 boom. Short time. Ah. Shoot everybody to blood clot. This already come like more like my speed, you see? All my points are going. See there? Bullseye. Ah. I feel like my points are moving, I'm not really sure. Let's see what they go. Get it, get it, get it. Look at shit. Well. Alright, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, guys, let's go. Uno na, keep up, you know. God. You know, so I can't turn myself. I can't turn myself, you know. Watch it. Blood. God. Aye. See that? Shut up, man, alive. Hey. Turn, turn. Guys, you know no driver, you know, man. Angle that. Angle that. Why she might kill me though? This is square disappointing. This is not bad. This is not bad. Whoa, where we going? Turn, turn. Whoa, guys! Sit down. Bombo clock. Ah! Shit. Well, let me go back here. Mighty God. All right, you blind me. Look at John Crow. Jesus. Your blood clot. Your face.
Secure the power cells for
Look at my square, man. She might kill me. This is real bad. No, sir. Embarrassing. That's crazy. Alright, I have to go circle back and work for my EM car. 32,000. Let me see. What that say? Church space ace. Okay, mood. I'll take it. I'll work with that. But si phone one yeah, depends zero. What did I get on? Alright, good. Let's go. That was pretty cool. Thank you. Wow, that was pretty cool. Woo, that was fun. Look at us. Wow, look at us. Ooh, we're shooting. Yep. See the catch though. We get a selfie together. Selfie! Ah, that's what I like when ride the wait time not long. In and out. Yep. That was fun. Yeah, when I get 5, it's embarrassing. 5, that's wild. All right, Tracy. Why Tracy? I reach when me and go. Keep that Tracy. Guys, me I gonna run here now. You know. Or no, we do one more and then we go in. Talk to me. Come in up. Up to you guys. Come in. I plan to leave, but we know say one day on the way out. Not a problem. You got on Ranger first. Ranger first. Although when I was a speedway, I could have never bring on a panda because one more you just reach. Ratty, the one where we drive. You know what I say? I can't manage that. We don't on the phone. When I don't spin on that turn it when me I turn this a wheel here. I don't know. It's when you buy a license, it's a problem in a life, you know. That's just the truth. Anyway, they have the one that but we don't go get the experience, you know. I have to do too much turning. Safety first. Big up on yourself. Thank you all so much for the thumbs up. Everybody over there watching and rock with me. Appreciate it. Every day I'll go and enjoy myself. Now look and see what else there on the way. Our clothes are strong. Ratted, but at 10 o'clock, the park are locked. I'm not going on the teacup ride then. Okay, last time I went on the ride there. They never end well. But guys, unless I said the park locked 10 o'clock. Right now it is 9:38. Some places it might be 8:38. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Wow, put some pepper on the steak, man. You found that the line there was so long. No, sir. No. Where's this time? Wagwan Phillips. We're at Magic Kingdom. Yeah. Magic Kingdom. We did the main reason for be out here tonight because we wanted to do the new Tiana ride, and we did get to do that. That is on another live because it did too long, so I just did cut the live there and restart another one. So you can check that out if you want. Why me not go back on the ride? It was too much emotions, man. But yeah, it was cool though.
Claro que esto, por ejemplo, esto no cambia, esto tiene años que es así. Por eso son vainas típicas.
Yeah. Let me see. I don't know. Guys, I don't know because the park's so locked, but I walk and see what I go still. If we get to sit on. If not, I'll eat that, but I try. I said, I kick out everybody. I know you feel it. Murder. Wagwan, hello. I want to get on the spin. No, something. I want to get a spin out. I should trace it. I can see if we can find something, man. King Wagwan. Sebastian, what's up? All I say less. Welcome in, everyone. Thank you for the thumbs up. Where they are walk around and see what else, what. A lot them I lock up here now, so. Mighty have blue bubbles in my eye. Mighty God. Look at me scan on him, man. Jesus.
Like jungle cruise at night. Cool.
Them have jungle cruise too? Ratted. Jungle cruise, I like that, you know. Hey, what? Yeah. Alright. Jungle cruise it is, guys. Ooh, ratted. That's gonna be interesting. Tasha, hola, welcome in. All right, Ian, big up yourself. All right, guys, so the next ride we are going on is Jungle Cruise, night at night. I've been there. Yeah, we do that in our daytime, but like I say, we not do it in our night, so we are going to see how it go. Hopefully, lock. Cause we have like about 15 minutes left before the place are locked down, before they throw it out. I guess so. Jungle Cruise. Guys, man, I really like water business in the night time, you know, cause can't really see. Oh, yeah. Guess what I'm going to do? Well, mercy.
They fit me.
That's sure?
Yeah, come on.
Ah. Jungle Cruise. All right, it look like we make it? Yes. Last call for Jungle Cruise. Lightning lane standby. Over here. Okay. Hello, thank you. All right, guys, boat ride. I want to say. Ready? Let's go. Thank you. Last one, this. Thank you.
Or anywhere on this side.
All right.
Oh, the sun.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, the sun's not out, so I don't. Anyway, come on board. Just kidding. Come on, excited, guys. Yeah, I'm here. You should be really excited. I'd rather be overexcited than overboard. Okay. If you can sit all the way down here, yeah, keeps the water out. Yeah.
Oh,
Me
God.
neither. We'll get to that later. We have time. Time's what?
All right, guys, I lost one, Liz.
Come on board, guys. Come on board. Ma'am, you have some poo on your backpack. You're gonna have to clean that off, okay? You have some poo on your backpack. Yeah, you gotta clean that off, okay? Just before you get in the boat. We'll get to that later, though. We'll probably get washed off when we're underway. I mean, underway. not
Wow.
underwater. That was last week, okay? Yeah. Well, folks, let's just do it. Yeah, I learned how to read today, too. Can you believe
Oh,
that?
God.
Yeah,
Guys,
that
it's
was
going
a
downhill.
Hang on, just like driving this thing. Clear! Now, for your safety, guys, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat all times. Parents, watch your children. Children! You stole my line. I would say let's make fun of all the lovely people here, but no one really cares about anyone other than me, so we're going to keep on going. My name is Skipper Austin.
Oh, my God.
I'm your skipper, your tour guide, your dance instructor, your hippo wrestler, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, she will be your swim instructor.
Yes, take a seat,
Thanks for
Tracy.
volunteering, Princess. Well, welcome to the Amazon River. Now, here in the Amazon
Uh-oh.
River, 365 days a year,
Jesus
and
Christ.
we very nearly missed it. Yeah, you see that? That's great. Now, I'll tell you what, folks. I'll tell you what we did miss. Boat orientation. Everyone look up.
Oh, my God.
Everyone look down. Yeah, if any of those switch, go to her. Yeah, because we're going to be rocking and rolling. Well, hopefully not rolling, but we're going to be rocking soon. Now, folks, right here is Inspiration Falls. Wow. Who can tell me about Inspiration Falls?
Oh, my
You just
God.
said it.
I'm so inspired.
Give her a round of applause. How inspiring. Well, that wasn't the answer I was looking for. You know, I was looking for it's a waterfall. But I'll tell you what, if you were inspired, well, legend has it, if you're too inspired, you'd be inspired to go. Okay, but I don't want to clean tonight, so we're going to go deeper and deeper
Wow.
in the jungle. Can I get a
Oh, my God.
Can I get a
Oh.
Can I
Ah.
get a
Wow.
Surprising me that this far too, guys. We're gonna bring it down to the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. Okay. Well, here, Boats, Baits, and Bites, folks. Kind of looks like my senior prom. Yeah, but no one showed up even though I invited them. Okay. I can't see anyone. Can you?
Funny.
That's okay. Oh my goodness, I see a
My
python.
blood- Jesus
That is not like
Christ.
snakes, guys. That is a 22-foot python sitting in a tree. Hissing. She does not look happy with us. I don't know what we did. How could it get any worse, guys? Really, I don't know what that is about. That's kind of.
Oh, my blood clot. Burn.
My roommates, it can get worse. Now, I didn't know they were in town today. You know. Oh my goodness! Look what they did to my Jeep. They left my headlights on. My dad's gonna kill me. We gotta go. We're gonna go to the Nile River, which is the longest river here in the jungle. It goes over Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in. There's a reason you don't have the mic. It's on. Okay. Hate to inform you, we're in my boat. Now, folks, right here's an African elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants: they have the best memory here in the jungle. And if I had a memory like that, I'd be great at my job. Okay. Oh my goodness, turn the camera.
Screenshot.
That is an African elephant. You will never see one of those again. Wow.
Wow.
Now who can tell me why it's an African elephant?
Its ears are like Africa.
What?
Its ears are in the shape of the continent of Africa. You find it
No,
in Africa.
we're in Africa.
We're in Africa.
Okay, give her a round of applause.
Woo!
Thank you, guys. Well, fun fact about them before I forget, they have one of the best memories here in the jungle. And if I had a memory like that, guys, I'd be great at my job. Well, welcome to the African belt, which holds up the African pants.
Oh.
That's a bearded horse, you see that? Look at that tall horse up there, wow. And would you look at these old horses, you know, they didn't get colored just yet. Oh my goodness, look at this sleeping horse. Yeah, he's dead. Tired. Dead tired. We're gonna let him rest in peace, okay? You know,
Oh
folks,
my
I'll tell you
God.
who else is going to be resting in peace tonight. My co-worker, Skipper Felix. Now, just like me, it's his first day. And let me tell you guys, it's
Thank
kind
you
of
for the
hard for
likes.
Skipper to get a laugh on his first day. Well, it seems like he's already getting his last laugh. I cannot believe it.
Wow.
And joke's on him. We can't bring him back to the dock. Folks, right back there, you see that? That is absolutely nothing. Isn't that amazing? We're going to tell him at dock. Anyway, we're
No,
going
you
to
have to
go
go
back
down.
to Smiley and Ginger. Now, Smiley loves a handout. And Ginger snaps, okay? Yeah. She's a real tough cookie. Don't mess
Oh
with her,
my
sir.
gosh.
Okay. Now, folks, prepare yourselves, because up ahead is the most beautiful sight here in the jungle. You ready?
Wow.
Save the applause for later. My boss needs to hear that. And behind me is Schweitzer Buzz. Now, Schweitzer Buzz was founded and discovered by our founder and discoverer, Albert Balls. We're going to go over it later, don't worry. But, ma'am, I see your ambition. It's so cute. It's cute. You want to be like me when you grow up, right?
I do.
Oh, well, it's pretty plain to see how I landed my job. Yeah, I took a crash course with Hathaway Brown, and I've been winging it ever since. I won't lie. Well, looks like we're landing in a hippo pool, so guys, I'm going to tell you something you probably never heard before. Put your wallets away, because they're going to charge us, okay? Now, I'm going to stand away like I did my last girlfriend. How's my hair? Good?
Oh my.
I love you! I want you to be my parents! Yeah, glad you guys thought that's funny, because my love life is really a joke. Okay, but I'll tell you what's not a joke, my job. You know, people say, Skipper Ross, your job's so easy, a monkey can do it. Well, that's bananas! I've never seen a monkey in a moon. Those are chips. Who knows the difference between a monkey and a chip? No? It's a pretty long tail. We're not going to get into that right now. But check out that monkey back there. You know, he studied jazz in college. He's been swinging ever since. Yeah. Anyway, these guys, forget about them. You know, they're enjoying a little snack, bread and butterfly. But it's time. Prepare your camera. Prepare yourselves. Soak it in as we're here right now. It's the beautiful, the great, the one, and only the eighth wonder of the world. Give it up for the back side of one! O2H! I knew we had good chemistry. I knew it. Now, don't try that at home, guys, because you will hit the backside of your Boston, okay? Trust me. I tried it last night. But, folks, oh, goodness. We are Mekonging our way into the Mekong River. And, guys, this Cambodian temple is Mekong me a little nervous. Looks like a pair of Crocs. Took our parking spot. Didn't know shoes could be that big. But, guys...
Uh-oh.
This is Shirley, and this is Shirley's temple. Who wants to go in? You do? What's your name? Jack, raise your hand. Jack's in charge. Okay, so Jack, look, I can't stand temples, and there's a lot to see. So I'm going to close my eyes, because I don't want to see it. And say, good luck.
Oh my God. Oh.